bend gate. You remember this is a huge controversy.
Dude, yeah, my phone is bent.
It really does bend.
And it still works just fine. So that's the first time that's happened.
You guys literally break everything.
There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky.
Summer is starting off right. Getting that run.
I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky.
There's something about running in the summer. Maybe it's like the heat or like just being covered in sweat, but oh, I love running in the sun. Hey! Happy summer, everybody! Today is in fact the first day of summer. You know what? I mean, how does it... And it just could not be a better day to bring in the summer. Is the fact that The Godfather is always playing behind me distracting? This is the scene when Michael just escaped Cuba, nearly got killed, found out Fredo betrayed. In today's episode, we kind of have a special presentation. Today, two of my favorite creators are here in New York City, and they're here like finishing up this like wildly ambitious YouTube video they've been working on for a very long time. And this video is to celebrate them getting their gold play button. Now, these two run a channel, and it's one of those ideas that when you're like, why didn't I think of that? It's a dad, my friend Dan, his son, Lincoln, and it's sort of like every episode is them. It's kind of a science experiment where they like take something, they cut it in half, and they show you what's inside of it. Lincoln.
Hello.
Lincoln, what's your favorite part of YouTube?
Making videos and having fun and cutting things open.
What's been the most fun video you've ever made?
The firework video, because we put 10,000 sparklers into one bin, and if you light it off, it makes this huge fire.
That's pretty fun. And your dad makes sure that you don't burn your fingertips off?
Yeah, I was up on a mountain.
Good work, Dad.
Yeah, that's what I do. I try to be safe.
These guys are just wrapping up their like major, seriously epic movie. And you need a couple shots of, what did you say?
I just want to see maybe skyline or the river, a bridge, something.
Okay. Lincoln, on a scale of 1 to Tony Hawk, how good are you on a boosted board? Make sure you hit the brakes before you get to the end. How does this differ from boosted boarding in Utah?
There's no cars anywhere in Utah. That's the difference.
The time.
And there's the Brooklyn Bridge as promised.
So this is the Brooklyn Bridge?
This is the Brooklyn Bridge. That's the Manhattan Bridge, and then it's the Williamsburg Bridge over there. The premise of their video is like traveling the world with their gold play. Do you have the thing? With the gold play button. As like this world tour thing, and this is one of the shots that is New York City.
It's a bit scratched after
Oh my
the tour.
God.
It's really heavy. It's 11 pounds. I didn't think it'd be that heavy, but.
All right, do your thing. Then I got a couple more good locations for you guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Hold on.
Oh no.
Boosted board down. Boosted board down.
It's right there.
Oh no! What did you do? It was you!
I had the wrong remote. Number 2. It should have been number 1.
I gotta go get it! Oh no.
Are you?
I gotta get it back!
You can use that piece of plywood for boat?
I don't have a plan yet, Lincoln. It's so slippery. I feel like I gotta get in the water.
Which one zooms here?
Oh yeah. That's not for us.
No, I don't think that's for us. I don't know what Casey's doing here, Lincoln.
I can't see what
He's
he's
going
doing.
underneath this pier. Still there?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
Yeah, stick.
look at that. Boosted board rescue mission. Yeah. Oh no.
We got movement.
It's moving.
Wasn't that the newest boosted board also?
Probably.
What do you think?
Fishing. Yep, we're fishing. Fishing for a skateboard.
Cool.
How's it coming? This is all my fault.
These shoes are definitely made for this. Oh, it's cold.
It's going in. What is happening right now?
Almost got it!
I got it, I got it, I got it.
Oh, there it is. I see it. Oh. Oh.
I got it!
Yes.
This has been one awesome day.
Oh my gosh.
No big deal, coming over.
Nice!
It landed on its wheels.
God, what a day for a swim. Ugh.
Casey, nice work. My fault.
No big deal, man, no big deal. Honestly,
yeah.
the board was filthy anyways, it needed to be cleaned.
It's blinking red. That can't be a good sign.
Where's the controller?
Good news and bad news. Good news is we have 3 boosted boards.
Bad news
Again,
is,
bad news is one of them is
down.
completely soaked.
Well, I'm just seeing if I can get any water out of my shoes. My
There's
pants,
there's footprints behind from your shoes.
my pants are drenched. My shoes are completely soaked. The boosted board, we tried to turn it on. We got no love. It's like, I've never seen the light on the bottom flash before, and it's flashing all kinds of colors. There's literally water coming out of the motors here. Boosted board, down. Lincoln, you and I will ride boosted boards. Your dad,
Why? There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why.
I'm just gonna dry my pants off here, Lincoln. This is a paint stripper.
Paint stripper? What's that?
So it uses really high heat to, guess I should probably wash these pants now. Is it time to cut that?
It's time.
I have a couple of ideas. I mean, we have to use the angle grinder here.
What do you think? And then we cut it this way? Or do we put it in down that way and just go down? Probably down. Okay, we're good.
Spin that vice.
I think we might have to go on this spot.
Okay.
All right, Dan, let's think this through.
There's no sun up in the sky.
That's probably gonna
There's no
hold.
sun up in the
Yeah,
sky.
stop moving. So in this shot, if we came up a little bit, all you'd see is black.
There's no sun
black.
up
All
in
right,
the
let's turn
sky.
the table.
And the table has wheels. Of course.
Everything should always have wheels. Lincoln, where are you gonna be when your dad cuts it?
I'm gonna be over there in the corner.
All right, this is it. They're gonna do it. Is that it? You have more things to shoot, or are you just gonna
We're
cut
good.
it?
Let's just cut this thing. I'm ready.
All right, this is it. It's gonna happen.
You ready, Lincoln?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa! We got it!
We got it, we got it, we got it!
Is it hot?
We'll invite us back.
Ow!
What does it
We
look
got
like
it.
inside of there?
It's gold.
Okay, yeah, we did it.
It looks good.
It made a mess.
Congratulations, guys.
Straight cut.
Okay, your channel had blown up this year. All right, last April, you had 1,000 subs.
1,000.
And then in November, you had 100,000 subs.
November we hit 1 million. August we hit 100,000.
And then you hit 1 million subs in November.
November. And now we're sitting here with 2.8 million, right around there, and it's, what is it, March? No, June? June 2016. So really, I guess we kind of consider ourselves officially YouTubers now, but we've just been having fun making videos this whole time.
Part of the reason why I'm such a fan of this story is it's like, you guys found something, like this what's inside concept, this, and you just like saw it through in such a passionate, incredible way, and your growth has reflected that to the tune of their top video has 55 million views, and it's this guy right here cutting in half a rattlesnake. Good luck. I don't know how good of an idea this was, but
Thanks for being a part of it. Hopefully YouTube doesn't get mad at you for being a part of this one.
are you coming to VidCon?
Yeah.
Sure.
I'll see you there.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
I'll see you guys in Anaheim in like 3 days.
Yep, 3 days.
Safe travels, man.
You're putting on a big party, aren't you?
Yeah, you gonna come?
I don't know. Yeah, we can.
No, no funny business from this one. As long as you promise not to chop anything in half, you can come.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
All right.
Safe travels.
Thanks.
I dropped one of my boosted boards in the East River today.
There's no
If you're doing what everybody else is doing, you're doing it wrong. Casey Neistat. This is
This is my yearbook.